everyone, welcome back to my channel Biology Planet. Students, we have discussed about the human digestive system. We have discussed about the supportive organs which plays very important role in the digestion of human beings, right? आज हम देखेंगे कि किस तरीके से ये सपोर्टिव ऑर्गन्स हेल्प करते हैं डाइजेशन में, एलिमेंट्री कैनाल का स्ट्रक्चर क्या है, हाउ दिस कंप्लीट डाइजेशन, द प्रोसेस ऑफ डाइजेशन टेक्स प्लेस इनसाइड आवर बॉडी. ओके, सो सबसे पहले हम स्टार्ट करते हैं माउथ से, राइट? अगर हम एलिमेंट्री कैनाल का थोड़ा सा रिकॉल करें, एलिमेंट्री कैनाल स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम द माउथ एंड एंड्स टू द एनस, राइट? इट हैज सर्टेन पार्ट्स. कौन कौन से होते हैं? माउथ, which opens in the buccal cavity, then this buccal cavity opens in the pharynx, then this pharynx opens in the food pipe or esophagus, then this food pipe opens in bag-like structure which is stomach, then stomach opens in the small intestine, and then small intestine opens in the large intestine, and the last end of the large intestine is rectum, where the waste food material is get stored, and the last end of the rectum is known as anus. This is how the alimentary canal starts from the mouth and ends to the anus. Okay, तो हम अभी माउथ से स्टार्ट करते हैं. माउथ में this opening is known as mouth, right? And students, when you will stand in front of the mirror, आप मिरर के सामने खड़े होइए with your open mouth, then the cavity you will see that will be known as the buccal cavity. ये जो आपकी cavity है इसको हम buccal cavity कहते हैं. इस buccal cavity में हमारी टंग होती है, 32 teeth होते हैं. टीथ के बारे में हम ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुके हैं, what are the type of teeth and what are the functions of teeth, right? उसके बारे में हम ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुके हैं. Then this buccal cavity, in this buccal cavity there is a gland also present. Here it is a gland is also present, that is known as salivary gland. That is known as salivary gland, right? And salivary gland का function क्या होता है? It is a gland. Gland के बारे में मैं आपको बता दूं. Gland क्या होते हैं? Glands are the small or large organs which synthesize or secrete certain chemical substances just like hormones and enzymes, right? तो उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Glands. तो ये जो salivary gland है, it will release salivary amylase. Okay, ये salivary amylase को secrete करता है. इसका काम क्या होता है कि whatever we eat, when it is completely chewed by our teeth, then it get mixed with the salivary amylase. Salivary amylase food को हमारे स्लिपी बनाता है और साथ ही साथ हमारी फूड में प्रेजेंट कार्बोहाइड्रेट को, कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्बोहाइड्रेट को सिंपल कार्बोहाइड्रेट में कन्वर्ट करता है. इस तरीके से हम कह सकते हैं कि डाइजेशन स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम आवर माउथ, right, where the partial digestion of carbohydrates takes place, right? Then after the digestion of food or after the partial digestion of carbohydrates, and when the food gets slimy, then this food goes down to the pharynx. ये pharynx है, this is pharynx. This part, actually this pharynx is the common opening for the windpipe as well as for the food pipe, right? This is the common opening for the windpipe as well as for the food pipe. तो अभी हम digestive system के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं, तो we will discuss only about the food pipe. About the windpipe we will discuss later on in another topic, that is respiratory system, right? Then after passing from this area, means from the pharynx, the food goes down to the pharynx, this esophagus. इसको हम बोलते हैं esophagus और food pipe, right? This pipe-like muscular structure is also known as food pipe, right? अगर हम food pipe की बात करें तो this is the slender structure. You can see here no digestion takes place. तो यहाँ पे किसी भी तरीके का digestion takes place here, right? यहाँ पर किसी भी तरीके का digestion नहीं होता है. It helps the food to push down into the stomach, right? Pharynx, ये esophagus का काम क्या है? It helps the food to push push down into the stomach. तो हम लिख सकते हैं it helps the food to push down into the stomach, right? Then hence we can see that it helps, this food pipe helps the food to move down, to push down into the stomach. But how this process takes place, right? ये भी एक process है. आप देखिए, जैसे suppose this is the food pipe central structure है, this is the muscular structure. तो by the continuous relaxation and contraction of these muscles, the food goes down. Suppose this is a food particle, right? When this part contracts, then food goes down. It slips down, or as it slips down, this part again expands. When this part expands, then food comes here. Again, the upper part will contract. Right? This is how this continuous expansion and contraction या फिर relaxation और expansion of muscles of food pipe takes place. तो जो ये continuous expansion and relaxation of muscles है, this is known as peristalsis. Okay? This is known as peristalsis. So we can also say that food goes down into the stomach by the process of peristalsis. और peristalsis क्या होता है? Peristalsis is the continuous relaxation and expansion of the food pipe muscles, right? ये क्या करती हैं? Contract करती हैं. जब contract करती हैं तो food नीचे की तरफ slip करता है, फिर expand करती हैं, फिर slip करेगा, फिर contract करेंगी. इस तरीके से food नीचे की तरफ कहाँ जाता है? Stomach में, right? अब हम स्टमक की बात करते हैं. तो अब हम स्टमक की बात करते हैं. तो दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट ऑर्गन ऑफ द डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. तो स्टमक कैसा होता है? इट इज द बैग लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. राइट? एंड हियर inside the stomach there is another gland is present, which is known as gastric gland, which secretes following hormones. It secretes gastric, या फिर कह सकते हैं which secrete gastric juice, right? This stomach which contains a gland which is known as gastric gland. This gastric gland secretes gastric juice, right? HCl and mucus. Okay, so the gland which is present inside the stomach, it secretes gastric juice. So gastric juice is mainly consists of an enzyme which is known as pepsin. Right? And pepsin helps in the digestion of proteins. Right? And this pepsin helps in the digestion of proteins. तो एक चीज यहाँ पे हमें पता चली कि gastric juice which is secreted by gastric gland which is present in the stomach, it is consist of an enzyme which is known as pepsin, and pepsin is responsible for digestion of proteins. Right? Next है हमारा HCl, that is hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is also secreted by stomach. And what is the use of HCl? HCl क्या करता है? HCl actually helps to change the medium of the food. Right? It makes the medium of the food acidic. Right? HCl क्या करता है? ये food के medium को acidic बनाता है. साथ ही साथ ये क्या करता है? It also kills the bacteria present in the food. Right? It also kills the harmful microorganisms which are present in the food. तो हम कह सकते हैं HCl का फंक्शन क्या हुआ? It changes the medium of the food to make it acidic, and later on it also kills the microorganism, harmful microorganism, if it is present in the food, then it kills the microorganisms present in the food, right? Then आप सोच रहे होंगे कि acidic medium क्यों करते हैं? Actually, the HCl which converts the medium of the food, which makes the medium of the food acidic, because the pepsin which is present in the gastric juice, it can function only in the acidic medium, right? ये acidic medium में ही function करता है, इसलिए ये HCl क्या करता है? HCl food के medium को acidic कर देता है. Then there is a mucus. Mucus is a slimy substance which is also secreted by the inner lining of the stomach. Mucus का काम क्या होता है? Mucus prevents the deposition of HCl in the lining of the stomach, right? Means mucus क्या करता है? It prevents deposition of HCl. ये HCl की डिपोजिशन को प्रिवेंट करता है स्टमक में, क्योंकि आप लोग हमेशा देखा होगा, आप लोग जब बहुत ऑयली फूड खा लेते हैं, बहुत सारा खा लेते हैं, तो आप देखेंगे कि आपको एसिडिटी सी फील होती है. एसिडिटी क्यों फील होती है? क्योंकि गैस्ट्रिक ग्लैंड है जो स्टमक की लाइनिंग है, ये कंटिन्यूअसली HCl सिक्रेट करती रहती है, और इसकी वजह से हमारा स्टमक का जो मीडियम है वो एसिडिक हो जाता है, राइट? और कभी कभी हमें स्टमक में अल्सर्स भी हो जाते हैं जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस HCl. तो हमारी स्टमक की लाइनिंग को प्रिवेंट करने के लिए म्यूकस सिक्रेट होता है विच प्रिवेंट्स द डिपोजिशन ऑफ HCl, राइट? तो इस तरीके से हमने देखा स्टमक में डाइजेशन कैसे हुआ, राइट? स्टमक इट इज अ बैग लाइक मस्कुलर स्ट्रक्चर, मस्कुलर होता है सो दैट इट कैन एक्सपैंड इजिली. जब हम बहुत सारा खाना खा लेते हैं तो ये बहुत ज्यादा एक्सपैंड भी हो जाता है, राइट? और खाली होने पर ये रिलैक्स भी करता है, right? And it has a gland which is known as gastric gland, which releases gastric juice. Gastric juice mainly consists of pepsin. Pepsin helps in the digestion of proteins. Then HCl is also secreted by stomach, inner lining of the stomach, which makes the medium of the food acidic, right? It also kills the microorganisms which are present in the food, harmful microorganisms which are present in the food. Then mucus is also secreted by the inner lining of stomach, right? Then mucus का काम क्या होता है? Mucus prevents the deposition of HCl, right? And one more thing here, the food is partially digested in the stomach, right? Food is partially digested in the stomach, which is known as, ये क्या है हमारा? This is our stomach. And the partially digested food in the stomach is known as chyme. Okay, partially digested food in the stomach is known as chyme. Okay, then what happens where this food goes after the digestion in the stomach, that we will see in our next video. Thank you.